In this video, I'm going to show you 3 settings that you can use to fix your battery drain on your Android. So these 3 settings right here did work for me personally, and I've seen a significant increase in my battery since I've enabled these settings. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our settings. And then once you head over to settings, you will be near the top right here, and we just need to scroll down until we see the option for battery and device care. Once we go to battery and device care, we now need to select battery there at the top. And then once we select battery, the first setting will be to enable the power saving mode setting. And then once we do that, you can then go down to enable this right there at the top. And then we can scroll down now to more battery settings. So once we click on more battery settings, what we can do is make sure adaptive battery is enabled there at the top. So that will be the second battery setting that we need to enable. And then what we can do now is we can come down to the bottom and see where it says protect battery. What we can do is we can enable the protect battery option. So what this will do is it will limit the maximum charge to 85%, and what this does is it does preserve the health and the longevity of your battery over the long term. And then once you have enabled all of these settings, that should mean that your battery is significantly better than it was before. So if this video did help you out, guys, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.